Should tour guides in Washington be licensed to work or be required to be accurate in the history lessons they provide?
Those two questions are at the heart of an interesting First Amendment debate taking place in federal court in D.C. The debate is aimed at striking down the district's regulation of tour guides. Chris Van Cleve reports.
It's a sign of summer, warmer weather bringing a flood of tourists. Currently, the district requires tour guides to be licensed and knowledgeable about the city's history and its iconic architecture. Segway tour operator Bill Main says that needs to change. He's suing, saying those requirements violate the First Amendment.
We are being told that we have to have a license to speak, and we felt that was not correct. That's not what the Constitution says.
In this country, we rely on people to decide who they want to listen to. We don't rely on the government to decide who's going to get to speak.
Unlicensed tour operators can face stiff fines, even jail time. To become licensed, an operator must pay 3 separate fees, including an exam fee that's more than $200. Not to mention, you still have to pass the exam. Now, a 3-judge panel will decide if this licensing law is legal. Tourists tell us they'd like to see some kind of regulation.
I think that they need to be licensed, but I do think that the city could probably drop the fee a little bit.
As a visitor, we should know that what we're hearing is correct.
I can't see that it would be a bad idea to have the people who are telling you the history of the area to be fully educated in the history of the area.
The D.C. Attorney General's office is representing the city and calls the district policy content neutral, adding in a statement, licensing of tour guides is not based on what they say. It does not affect the content of any tour and neither requires nor prohibits any speech of any kind. The statement goes on to say the district does have an interest in making sure its visitors are properly cared for. In the newsroom, Chris Van Cleve, ABC 7 News.